How'd I do? Driving yet?
No.
Here I come.
Still on there? We good.
Come out okay?
Feel like in the news. You got a spray bottle?
Yep.
You in there making sure it don't catch on fire? Ready?
Camera thing is awesome. It's not like it was a little bit of that time ago. Jim John's playing?
Nope. Give me a hammer, Mike.
Up there. Now this weekend I can sand that down and have ready for Monday.
I got any more holes there, I feel it. probably.
Huh?
Orange one. Yeah. I don't know. Might be on the floor, might be on top. Second to bottom, big door.
Hey, no, it's just the right front, right?
Yeah.
I've got that on 5 too.
On there? No, hell. We got a 2x4 over there. We grab me that. It's on the right side of the floor somewhere.
I think that cap corner was a little bit different than the one I got for the other side. Hey, now that's not a shackle.
Fix that one block of wood.
I said you still got weld the inside of these too, don't you?
Inside where? On the inside of the truck?
Yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm
Get some glue for that.
You kids still look at the video? I don't get on tonight, but you're telling me you'll have another one. I just do that. I like to have photos and everything that I've done to the truck. At least this will get us out of here real quick, huh? That's a little bit bigger. I don't know if that would help them out. That won't take long at all, Monday, huh?
No. That's where you.
I would
Can't weld in here very good at all, Mike. There's a couple shitty welds on it. Can't even get the torch down there to get much more in there. And what I did get looks like shit. Yeah, I can't. Won't get bend.
Yeah, I grind it down a little bit. Those, and then you can look at Monday. But like I said, maybe even heat it up with the torch and then it, I don't know.
Right there, I'm touching the metal on the other side. Right there's touching.
Alright. That won't be any problem at all.
Then it's lifted. This one had a lip that came down. Yours tucks all the way under. This bottom lip right here.
Uh-huh. But the other truck, the yellow truck, was perfect. You know?
Yeah. That works all right. A couple wheels down here real fast. I hate weld laying on the ground, get sparks in your ear.